Hi everybody, and welcome to Our Life in the Philippines again. I was thinking that since this channel is a little bit about our life and here in the Philippines, we are going today to do a little video. The other day we decided to go out and hang out a little bit with some friends at the street corner blues bar. There's a lot of entertainments out here, and there's music bars and there's other things, but this is the one that I go to when I want to go and hang out with the guys playing and have music. And in this particular instance, we came in there really early. The crowd doesn't get in there until maybe 9-10 p.m. And the band, which is the Friction Band, some of you might know them from performances around Angeles and Mabalacat. I know they have been playing around in different charity events and all kinds of other things. They were part of playing when we had the beer festival here and other things. They had their own little thing going on there. The blues bar is located right across the street from Wishing Wells in Balibago, and if you are standing outside Wishing Well, look across the street, look on the second floor, and the blues bar is up there. If you haven't been there, if you like music, and the band, like I said, the Friction Band, and they play a lot of music from the old days. They play rock, they play blues, they play pop music, Led Zeppelin, all kinds of stuff, and they're really good musicians. I wish I could feature it a little better by having better recording equipment. I told them we need to get a soundboard that we can mix the stuff together. So the music, and I'm going to play a couple of songs for you. So that's going to be the content of the video, but just to give you a little taste from it. And if you feel like it, you know, you're tired of the bar scene across on the other side, walking street and up Friendship or whatever, then this is the place to go and hang out, relax, and maybe have a beer or two and chat with the guys down there. So I'm going to play for you a couple of songs. First, I'm going to put in a song from the Friction Band and let them perform for a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. Alright, that was the Friction Band, guys, and they are really good. Manny Cordero, the solo guitarist, is really good, and so is the other guys. The keyboard player is currently back in the United States, but he should be back here soon. And there's a band of 4 or 5 guys in there playing. They also have open mic. So if you are interested to come in there and hang out and maybe sing a song, or you have your guitar or whatever with you, come on down to the Blues Bar. And right now tonight, like I said, we came in a little early, and Chris is one of the guys that helped the Filipinos here to get this together, and he's kind of a partner in a sense. He was there. He doesn't really play in the band, but he has written a couple of songs, and he's really good actually. He's the old style Johnny Cash boy, and we are going to put a song of him in here, and we go from there.
There's no fool like an old fool. I guess that fool is me. I look the other way at things I didn't want to see. Just like the morning sun who chases off the night, I face the painful truth, knowing I was right. Just another lonely fool, but not the last by far, to lose his heart to an Angel City bar-fine superstar. Up there on that stage, you're the princess of the bar, you're Angel City bar-fine. Baby, you're a star. So bright, lights the room, turns grown men into fools. You give them away, you shake that ass, watch the suckers drool. You know you're everybody's fantasy, you're every fella's dream. Up there on that stage, baby, you're the queen. Open one more time, you hear your lies, hold you in my arms. Up there on that stage, you're the princess of the bar, you're an Angel City bar-fine. Baby, you're a star. Everybody's fantasy, every fella's dream. Up there on that stage, baby, you're the queen. Me, I'm just another lonely guy, taken with your charms. Open one more time, you hear your lies, and hold you in my arms. There on that stage, you're the princess of the bar, you're Angel City bar-fine, baby. Baby, you're a star. Bar-fine blues.
All right, guys, that was Chris Stevens, and he normally comes over here, 5, 6, 7 months of the year. So he is here for a short period of time, and then he goes back to home in California. And again, if you are interested in music, come on down, hang out with the guys, have a couple of beers, and enjoy the evening. There you got my sweet wife hanging out. Like I said, we were here real early. Right across there is the Wishing Well and a few other restaurants and bars around there. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching, and we see you again at the next video. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.